Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Chebet Caroline. Thank you so much for clicking this video. So today I want you to spend the day with me, and I have a few errands to run in town. I'll be going for shopping. I'll be going for, maybe I'll be also going to plait my hair. It's going to be a busy day for me, so kindly don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos. So let's enjoy this day together. So guys, I need to show you something that I made myself. So this is a rug. I made this rug. It took me like almost a month. It's just from natural honey, which I was crocheting it, and also you see I made it from this is just from a manila paper, so it turned out very nice. It's very nice. So it's just a neutral color. And I'm planning also to make another one. Like this one, and I'll be putting it in this empty space of the house. Let me show you how it will look like. I am planning to also make another using this. This used to be a curtain, but I no longer use it, so I'll be making just like this one. And I believe this is a neutral color. It's a very beautiful neutral color. So guys, tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Is it a beautiful one, or should I change the color? Thank you. Thank you everyone for watching this video. It has come to the end of the video, so I hope you enjoyed my day, spending the day with me. I just came from town. I already made my hair, and also just relaxing in the house, and also having a cup of tea. So thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.